student, today we are going to learn what is the difference between boring and reaming. Left column is boring, right column is reaming. Number 1, for boring, boring operation means to enlarge the diameter of an existing hole. Boring enlarge a drill hole or existing hole. Number 1, for reaming, reaming operation means to finishing a whole surface. Reaming finishes whole surface to exact size. Number 2, for boring, here cutting tool used for boring is boring bar. One tool can be used for machining hole of various diameter. Number 2, for reaming, cutting tool used for reaming is reamer. Cutting tool name reamer. Here one tool is fixed for a particular diameter of the whole of the job, and for larger diameter another reamer is used. For smaller diameter another reamer is used. For different diameter reamer are used. Okay. Number 3, for boring, boring bar, that means boring tool, is a single point cutting tool. It is a slower method, slower process. Number 3, reaming. Reaming is a multi-point cutting tool. Reaming, it is a faster method. Okay. Number 4, for boring, in boring surface quality is not good than reaming. Here chips are larger in size. Number 4, for reaming, reaming produces highly finished surface. The chips are very small in size. Okay. Number 5, for boring, here metal removal rate MRR is higher than reaming. More metal removal is possible. Number 5, for reaming, MRR metal removal rate is poor in reaming. Here metal removal is less. Okay. Thank you.